This is the question from IPMAT Indore 2023 paper, QASA section. So it says in the XY plane, let A is this and B is this. Define a set S as a collection of all the points on the circle C, x square plus y square equal to 4, such that the area of triangle ABC is an integer. So S is a collection of all the points. Now C is a point which can be anywhere on the circle. A and B are two fixed points and the circle's equation is x square plus y square equal to 4. So let us look at this situation with the help of a diagram. So this is the circle and these are x and y axis. So this point will be 2, 0. The radius of the circle is 2. The equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to 4, which is 2 square. So if I compare this with the equation of the circle, general equation of the circle, x square plus y square equal to r square. So the radius of the circle is 2. So this point is A, this point is B, 2, 0, and this point will be minus 2, 0, that is A. So A and B, these are the 2 points which are fixed. We need to make a triangle ABC, and point C can be anywhere on the circle. Point C, if the point C is here, then the triangle ABC will be this one, right? So there are so many triangles possible. C can be anywhere on the circle, but we are given some specifications for C. C should be such that the area of the triangle ABC is an integer. So area of triangle ABC is an integer. Now, if I take AB as the base of the triangle, then how can we write the area of the triangle? Area of a triangle is half into base length into the height. Now base length is fixed, which is 4. So the area of the triangle will be equal to 2 times the height. Fine. Now point C, this point can be anywhere on the circle. The y coordinate of point C, that will be the height of the triangle. Wherever is point C, its y coordinate will be the height of the triangle. So if this is point C, then this y coordinate of point C, that will be the height. So now what does it tell us is we only look at possible values of y, right? And the condition is the area should be an integer. Now area will be an integer if height is an integer, or it is a fraction with 2 in denominator only, right? So height can be anything which is 1 or 2, right? Height cannot be more than 2 because this point is 0, 2. So this point is 0, 2, so height cannot be more than that. So the height can be 0, 1 or 2. 0 is also not possible. If height is 0, that means point C is either at A or B. So that is also not possible. So the values of point C, values of the height can be 1 or 2. Now these values can also be 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Because if the height is 1 by 2, then we will still get an integer area. So 2 times 1 by 2 will be an integer. 2 times 3 by 2, that will also be an integer. Right? So height can be 1, 2, or height can be half or 3 by 2. Now, if that is the case, so we can say where can be the point, where can we have the point C if height is 1 or 2. Now, y coordinate being 1 or 2, it is possible in first quadrant. This can be point C with y coordinate 1. This can be point C with y coordinate 2. Even this can be point C with y coordinate 1 again, right? Y coordinate will be 1 and x coordinate will be something else. So these 3 points are possible above x-axis, and corresponding to them, or let us say these are the 3 points available above x-axis for which value of y is an integer. Now value of y can also be a fraction, 1 by 2 or 3 by 2. So y can be 1 by 2. So this can also be a possibility. This can be point C where the y coordinate is 1 by 2. And this can be a possibility where the y coordinate is 3 by 2. Right? And corresponding to them, there will be two more points on the left side of x-axis where y coordinate will again be 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So there can also we have point C. So how many values of point C are possible above x-axis? So as we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I will write them again. So the value of point C can be when this is 1 by 2 on the right side, or 1, or 3 by 2, or 2, or 3 by 2 again, or 1 again, or 1 by 2 again. So these 7 values are possible for point C. Right? 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 1 by 2. So these 7 values are possible and these are above x-axis. We will have similar values below x-axis, but all of them will have negative sign. But negative sign does not matter. Height will only be positive. If the triangle is this, then this height will be taken as positive. Although the coordinate is negative, but height will be taken as positive. Hence, the area can still be an integer. So corresponding to these 7 points above x-axis, we will have 7 points below x-axis also. So total 14 points can be located on this circle, which can be taken as point C. And if that is point C, then the area of the triangle ABC will be an integer. Hence, the number of points that are possible is 14. So that's the answer.